Hello and Sawadee Krap. This is Teacher Roy again from ACS MLP. MLP stands for the Modern Language Program. It was founded in 2004. Every year here we have the MLP show. It's probably one of the most exciting events here in ACS. It usually happens in September. If you want to find out more about the MLP show, please visit us here in ACS. Previously in my videos, you learned how to log in and log out, find your subjects in the dashboard in My Courses, use the events to prioritize your work, and find your lessons when you click the subject. Now, you will learn how to submit a homework or assignment today in this video. Please log in first and let's do it together. Are you logged in already? Again, use your username, ACS ID number, and your password, your ID number. Logged in? Let's do it together. Go to the dashboard and choose a subject from the icons on the page. I'll click Science. It's my favorite subject. And there you go. I have my lessons here, my activities including exercises and quiz. Where is my assignment? It's right here. My teacher wrote assignment or homework. They're the same. Now all you have to do is click on the assignment to download the document where you will work on. And you will find here also a due date. Now this assignment is due on May 15th, which means that I have to do this and submit my work before May 15th. What else is in instruction? It says here, answer and submit online in PDF format. So if I work on my assignment, when I'm done, I save it as a PDF file because that's what I will submit, a PDF document. Click on your assignment and it takes you to your assignment page. Let's see what we will find here. Assignment or homework. Answer and submit online in PDF format. Now where is my document? It's right here. Here. There's a blue icon. Remember, if the document uploaded by your teacher is a PDF file, when you click that, it will automatically open on the screen. But if the document uploaded by your teacher is a Microsoft Word file, the computer will automatically download the Word file for you. I'll click here and look, it's a Microsoft Word file because it downloaded automatically. So I can work on it at home on my computer. So I'm going to type my answers here and then save it as a PDF file. And when I'm done, I'm ready to submit to my teacher online. How? Let's do it together, shall we? At the bottom of your assignment page, you will see the button Add Submission. Click Submission. There you go. All I have to do is drag and drop the document. Let's have an example. Let's see. I saved my assignment in my folder. All I have to do is drag and drop. And it's there. Simple. And save. Once it's saved, submit. And you're done. Wait for your teacher to read your assignment. Your teacher will put your grade in the website, and you will be notified once you get the grade. It's that easy. Again, this is Teacher Ray. Sawadee Krap.